Attention North Huron, Wingham, please respond to 86283 Curry Line at the request of ambulance for a 13-year-old male that was thrown from a four-wheeler, be located behind the barn and does have a head and leg injury. Again, that's 86283 Curry Line for a 13-year-old male that was thrown from a four-wheeler, has a head and leg injury, and is located behind the barn. Time first page is 15:48:15. Attention North Huron, Wingham, please respond to 86283 Curry Line, cross streets of Reed and Amberley Road at the request of ambulance for a 13-year-old male that was thrown from a four-wheeler, has a head and leg injury, and is located behind the barn. Again, that's 86283 Curry Line, cross streets of Reed and Amberley Road for a 13-year-old male that was thrown from a four-wheeler, has a head and leg injury, and is located behind the barn. Time of second page is 15:49:11. Please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, Car 1.
Car 1, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham station.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responding to Curry Line for a medical, Alpha plus 5 Delta.
That's Roger. Attention Howick Fire, please respond to 3063 Adelaide Street for a general fire alarm. It'll be at the Howick Village Nursing Home. Again, that's 3063 Adelaide Street at the Howick Village Nursing Home for a general fire alarm. Time of first page is 15:53:36. Please respond.
Dispatch, mark Car 1 on scene. EMS on scene as well.
That's Roger. Car 1, you're on scene with EMS 15:56:24.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, Car 1.
Car 1, go ahead.
No, I met with EMS. Fire is not required.
That's Roger. EMS requesting fire cancel 15:57:40. Calling, go ahead.
Dispatch, this is Howick 2-1. You can show 2-1 responding with 1.
Roger that, Car 1. Engine 1 copies. Break, fire dispatch. You can show engine 1 standing down, returning to Wingham Station.
That's Roger. Engine 1, you are standing down and returning 15:58:07.
Dispatch, Car 1 clear as well.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, this is Howick 2-6.
Howick 2-6, go ahead.
You can show 2-6 responding, 5 on board.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch from Howick Fire 2-5.
2-5, go ahead.
Yeah, you can show 2-5 responding, 2 on board.
That's Roger.
2-6, call Howick base. Go ahead, Howick, this 2-6. Yeah, there's a couple more firefighters. Do you want us to just wait and see what it is before we roll 2-4? Yeah, just hold off till we get there and we'll let you know. Okay, copy that. Fire dispatch, this is Howick 2-6.
Howick 2-6, go ahead.
Yeah, dispatch, you can show 2-6 on scene.
That's Roger. That's Roger. Howard 201, go ahead. That's Roger 201, you're in command. Command's mobile and crew of 4 are entering the building at 16:06:28.
Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1 back at hall, back at service. Could you clear off this incident, please?
That's Roger, Engine 1, you're back at hall, back in service at 16:06:57. You have a good weekend.
dispatch, you too.
Howick Command, go ahead. That's Roger, nothing showing at this time. Keyholder on site. Keyholder believing that the cleaner set off the alarm. Investigating 1607-40.
Go ahead. That's Roger. Fire dispatch from Howick Fire 25.
Go ahead, 25.
Yeah, HO25 is on scene.
That's Roger.
Go ahead, Command, this is Howick Base. There is 3 of us at the hall. Copy that, standing by.
Howick Command, go ahead. That's Roger, 360 in progress at 1609-42. Howick Command, go ahead. That's Roger, 360 complete, nothing found. Steam cart, set off the alarm. 1611-32.
Go ahead, Command, Howick Base. Copy that, Command, standing down, Howick Base.
Howick Command, go ahead. That's Roger, 4 firefighter exited building. Keyholder to silence alarm, 1614-22.
Fire dispatch from Howick Fire 25.
Go ahead.
Yeah, dispatch, you can show 25 has been cleared by command. We're returning to station part 2.
Roger, 25 cleared by command, returning to station part 2 at 1617.
Fire dispatch is Howick 26.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we've been cleared to the scene and returned to the hall.
That's Roger, you've been cleared and returning to hall at 1618.
If there's a fire unit calling, go ahead. You're coming through strike 5. That's Roger, scene left with keyholder, command terminated in 2-1. You're en route back to hall with 1, 1621-40.
2-1, this 26. Yeah, we're stopping for fuel, not sure whether you need any. Fire dispatch, this is Howick Fire 25.
25, go ahead.
Yeah, you can show 25 is off the quarters.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch is Howick 26.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can show 26 back at the hall.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, Howick 2-1.
2-1, go ahead.
2-1, back at station.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, call Howick Fire.
Howick Fire, go ahead.
Yeah, you can show all units back at station, and we are back in service at this time.
That's Roger, all units are back at station, and everyone's back in service at 1633-10. You have a good rest of your weekend. Happy Mother's Day.
Good, well, dispatch, XKU 493 Howick cleared off the air at 1632-27.